Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can add fonts on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find these games and applications. Here, as you can see guys, in the left you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And if you click on the game library right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your installed games and applications. Here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and lastly right here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, in order to add fonts on your PlayStation 5, first of all, go ahead and search for PlayStation Store and then go ahead and click on it. Then once you do that, right here you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find recent release, collections. Here you're gonna find sales, subscriptions, browse. You're gonna find search, wishlist, cards, and lastly here you're gonna find plus. So right now click on plus, and then here as you can see guys, you're gonna find payment method. Here you can redeem a code, subscriptions, transaction history. Here you're gonna find the purchasing settings, and here right here you're gonna find all of the other settings. So basically guys, right now if you want to add funds, there is a lot of ways. One of them is redeeming a code. You can just click on redeem and then just enter the code right here if you have a gift card, and then it will be added to your funds right here. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.